Hello, everybody. My name is Austin Page, and this is my presentation so that you can get to know me a little bit. So, for college, I went to the University of Delaware, and I was an elementary teacher education major. I really liked it there. I thought I had a lot of great professors. I also got my dual certification, both in elementary teacher education and special education. So where do I work now? Right now I work at Wilbur Elementary School. It's in Bear, Delaware. It's a really, really big elementary school right in the corner of 72 and Route 1. And it's awesome. I love it there. I love my principal. And I am a third grade teacher there. I teach in a special education single approach to mastery room. So I have a couple special ed students in there. Um, for my program, I'm working towards my master's in applied technology in education. It's a really great program, and I've had Laura Mason for a lot of my classes. She's amazing, if you know her. Um, what do I hope to do with my degree? So I want to use more technology in my day-to-day life. So not just in my teaching. Obviously, I want to use it in my teaching and have my kids use it, but I want to learn how to use it more to help me make my life easier. A lot of the things I've learned is just how to make my job a little faster using like Google Drive instead of just writing stuff down for a lot of things. Um, for the other thing I want to do is I want to have my students use technology, like I said, and I want to help other teachers use it more in their practice. A lot of old other teachers don't really use it that much, so I want to help them use it. Ways that I learn. I like to practice things. I can hear things, I can see things, but until I do it, that's when I'll really get it. I need to do something before I will actually understand it. And I totally get that with a lot of people too, where I'm like, oh, I said it 1,000 times. Well, I haven't done it yet, so I don't really get it. Um, I am also a very kinesthetic learner. I need to move around when I'm learning. When I'm talking, I like to move around. When I'm having a discussion with someone, I like to stand up and just do something else instead of just sit there. Um, and then I can't sit still for like 2 hours and still be learning things. And so that's just something I know that I have a limit on. And so I try to keep that in mind for my students too. And that is my entire presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.